Hey everybody, this is just an updated screencast on how to make copies of the PlayPosit bulbs that are on the PE module site. Let's say I want a copy of the throwing in bulb here, so I just click on the link and it opens up in a new tab. Once it loads, what you need to do next is click on play, and in most of the videos what happens is the students are immediately presented with a question about how confident they are in the ability to perform a skill. So in order to make a copy of this, you need to come up here and click on this checkbox, the clipboard really with the check mark on it. If you get a video that does not immediately ask a question and you're just presented, let me just submit an answer there. And here we go. So let's just say the video is just playing. You come down here and click on this little button right there, and then it'll open it up to this checkbox. And then you just click copy the bulb right there. And when you copy the bulb, you can say, my copy of soccer throw-in. And if you want to keep the copy and then make changes to it, you can click copy and edit. But if you just want to keep it as it is, you just click on copy. I'm going to be prompted to sign in. So I'm going to sign with my Google login. Just say allow to everything. And then once you log in, it will be listed in your bulb section, and here it is, copy of my soccer throw-in. So that's how you make a copy. So there are other videos on how to assign the bulb and put it into Schoology, so check out my playlist for that, and if you have any questions, just let me know.